Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, January 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, I mean, we did have a big push down, but I actually think that this is going to most likely just keep on going up. I think eventually it is going to go up and take out these highs and probably even end up looking something like that. Maybe we are getting very close to making a move to the downside, but I don't really think we're at that point yet. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the thing you really have to notice about this big move down is that it never broke any structure. It gave us absolutely no reason at all to think that this is not in an uptrend still. And then what happened? It made a little bit of a three-way pattern, and now it's going back up. I've been saying for a while that it could be an A, a B, and then go back down for a wave C, which it still possibly could. We definitely want to keep all possibilities in mind. But at this point, I don't really think that's the case. I think it's more likely to just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, eventually go up and take out those highs. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I actually think we have a ABC in here already, and I actually think that this is already in an uptrend. Like I said, I believe that eventually it's going to go up and take out these highs, which tells me I am for sure going to continue to look for longs. The only thing that's going to turn me into a seller is if I see this picture right here. If I see it bounce off a fib level and break structure to the downside, then yeah, I would definitely switch it up, and I would definitely say that's the end of the wave B, and I would start looking for shorts for the wave C. But until we have that picture, and since we don't have that picture, I am definitely just going to keep on looking for longs, and I am going to expect that there's a good chance that it will do that. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, this thing has been very, very strong. We got a strong dollar right now, and we have a weak yen, so it's been a very, very nice pair to trade. I don't even really think it's over. I think there's going to be more long opportunities, so I would definitely continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks, especially on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. I think there is a good chance that it may go down before it goes up because this definitely looks like a five-way pattern. Looks like a wave A. Kind of seems to me like this move up is more likely a wave B and that it's more likely to go down for a wave C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. But I mean, if you see something that fits the criteria to go long, then I definitely would go long because we don't know that it's going to make a big correction like that. It could just make another small correction and just keep on trending up. Either way, I am definitely looking for longs and I'm definitely only going to go long at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of what I think is going to be the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.